This video will teach you how to download the Libby app, how to download your books within the app, and also tips and tricks for navigating the app. So first, of course, we need to start with downloading the app. I am doing this on my Microsoft laptop. So I would go to the Microsoft Store. If you're using an Apple device, you would just go to your App Store. If you're using your Android device, you would just go to the Play Store. The downloading and installation is all the same for all of these different devices. So you would just type in Libby by Overdrive. This is the icon. The icon is the same for all apps. You would click install. Now that the app is downloaded, we'll open it. Alright, so no matter which device you're using, the first page of the Libby app is always going to look the same. It's going to ask if you have a library card. For the purpose of this video, we'll say yes, we do. And it gives you three options. The first is to copy your Libby account from your other device. This is if you have Libby installed on one device already, but let's say you buy a new iPad and you want Libby on that device as well. You would just copy the info from the other device. Or let's say this is your first time signing into Libby. You would first need to set up your library. So you would just click right here. I'll search for a library. And of course, we're searching for a Tuscaloosa Public Library, so we'll just click on that. All right, here it's going to ask if you have a library card. If you don't, Libby has a new feature where you can sign up using your phone number, but we'll say we have a library card just for the purposes of this video. All right, so here's the library card. We will click next. And this is the home page for Libby. I'll just scroll down a bit. So first, we have the magnifying glass. That is the search bar, of course. You can search using a few set of criteria. You can search by subjects. You can search by date. You can search by format. You can search by language. You can search by audience. So if you want to look for a book for your young kid, you would just click juvenile and filter out all the other content. And then you can search by compatibility and availability. Also at the bottom here, everything is broken into subjects. So if you are into science fiction, you just click that and it will give you a list of science fiction books. So one cool thing that Libby is doing right now, you can access the first book of the Harry Potter series without a wait. It has unlimited downloads. So this is the first book we'll download. We'll just click on the book. Next, we'll click borrow. All right, and you see here the default checkout time is 7 days. You could change that to 14 days if you know you'll need more time. And we'll click borrow. This little symbol over here means the book is downloading and syncing to all of your devices. But while that happens, we'll just go ahead and open the book. It gives you two options. You can read using the Kindle app, or you can read using the e-reader within the Libby app. I think Libby's e-reader is very good, so we'll just go ahead and click on that. And this is the book. When you open the book, it starts with the title page. Gives you the publishing information, then the table of contents, and this is how the book looks within the app. So just a few things. If you want to bring up the menu, you would just click or press at the bottom of the screen. Go to these three lines over here, and that brings up your menu. The contents of the menu, search. So if you're looking for something particular within the book, you could just search. Chapters. Let's say you're reading this book on a different device and you want to hop around. You could just go to that particular chapter you're looking for. Bookmarks. This is a very useful tool. Just like in a physical book, you could drop a bookmark within this Libby book. So let's say you're done reading for the night. You would just click or press at the bottom of your screen. Tap this icon right here. And then the bookmark will appear right here. And you could just click on that and go to that page where you left off. Also, there are ways to enlarge the text if you prefer larger text. You could change the lighting. You can make it brighter. You could do sepia. Or if you prefer a darker theme, you could select that as well. All right, so let's say you're done with the book before your 14 days are up. And let's pretend like we didn't download a book that has unlimited downloads. If you know there is a hold on the book or you're done with it, you could click right here to manage loan. And you can return the book early so it could be returned to the library. All right, right here we have our bookshelf. So everything you have checked out will appear here. All your holds will appear here. And if you want to get back to that home screen so you could check out some more, you would just click library. And there you go. So that's all for our video today. I hope you learned some useful things. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us and hopefully we can get those questions answered. Thank you.